Today, guys, we will be opening the new Minecraft Adult Happy Meals with the toys blind box with the card. A Minecraft movie. Alright, we have all 6. Luca, which one are you going for first? Ooh, what's it gonna be? Hold it up. Very, very smart to open it. Oh. The hamburger! Wait. There's a card. Right, the card says, little is known about this hungry mob who spawns late at night and wanders all biomes in search of hamburgers. And there's the picture.
Now put it
so shiny. Alright, which one do I open? Which one should I open next?
A stack.
Whoever gets the grimace egg, just quickly put it in the comments before one of us opens it. Right, I'm going for
you there.
Right, this one could. Yeah. Oh. Just the fry helmet. Oh.
A girl.
I actually don't know the name of this, so let's find it out from the card. Birdie Wings. If it's called Birdie Wings, it obviously has to have the OP Elytra suit. And the message on the back says, keep your eye to the sky, or else you might miss the early birds soaring high above the clouds with a rare pair of Elytra wings. Right.
You think this
box back? How strange is it that we open our first 2 and the ones that we haven't even got? Luca, open one.
Let's
Luca, that one's got to be a good one. Oh. Luca actually got the clean open. I think it's the hamburger.
If it's a hamburger, but can we eat it?
Let me get the card. It says Big Mac Crystal. And the message on the back says, made from the sea of special sauce. Let me guess, it's a never flame. This precious block deserves its raisin shine from melty cheese and the toasted semine seed one. Put the ball on there. Okay, let's see which one next.
Oh,
Let's go for this one.
it sounds like
This is the soda potion or the very, very rare grimace egg. What did I say?
potion.
The soda potion. Wait, can't forget the card. Soda potion and the message on the back says, this electrifying effect of this potion is as mysterious as its recipe. So I guess nobody knows the recipe except for Steve. As accidental combo of fantastic fizzy flavours. So that's very strange, isn't it?
Oh, this sounds like the big.
Oopsie. Right.
Now
Time for our 5th one. We have to fry helmet of the grimace egg. Fry helmet! Alright, the card. The card. Fry helmet.
Wait, you can fit on it.
Now, it says, for good from the iconic French fry box, a classic. This enchanted helmet is rumoured to protect from your friend stealing your last fry, aka me stealing his fry. Right, so what happened to the fry helmet? Look at it.
What kind of?
Why is it a what to save you from one last fry and has about 50 in it? Okay, let's place it with the helmet. Right, we haven't got the real Grimace eggs out. This one has to. Hey, Dad? And I'm going to open this one from the bottom. If this isn't... Oh, I already see purple. Grimace. Wait. Ah. It would be cool if this was the face of Grimace.
Imagine if it...
Wait, card. It looks like Grimace egg.
Sunny.
He just said doesn't. Wait, I'm not going to say it. Emerging from the depths of a purple shake, this magical Grimace mob gets its shape from the most converting egg of them all. Look how happy he is. Just like me opening it up. Right? Let's place the final box and the final toy. Look how shiny it is. Wait, where's the flying helmet? Kind of. Nah.
We can fly.
This is the full McDonald's adult Happy Meal set with cards. Hamburger, Grimace, Birdie Wings, Crystal Bear, Big Mac Crystal, Soda Potion and Fry Helmets. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch more videos, click here.